All you need to do this is the latest version of the Roblox app and the latest version of the TikTok app on your phone. So open up either the Play Store or the App Store and update both apps accordingly. After you update both Roblox and TikTok, all you have to do is first open up Roblox and join a game as usual, or browse anything you want within the Roblox game app. You can use the app as usual and just make sure it is running on the background. So go back to your home screen and make sure Roblox is open on the background, and now just open up TikTok on your phone. Within TikTok and with Roblox running on the background, as you can see on this next window, within TikTok you can click the plus sign and start recording as usual. Record anything you want on TikTok and you can keep Roblox open on the background to play it as you record on TikTok. You can post your video and customize anything you want within TikTok as long as you keep Roblox open on the background. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Roblox while recording on TikTok.